ESL 1, Unit 4, Vocabulary. 1. All birds have feathers. 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 2. All birds have 2 wings, 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 and 2 legs, legs, legs. 3. All birds have a beak, 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 or bill. 4. All birds lay eggs, eggs, eggs. Birds' feet. Ducks use their feet to swim. Chickens use their feet to scratch dirt. Hawks use their feet to capture prey. Warblers use their feet to perch on branches. Herons use their feet to walk on soft sand. Birds, beak or bill. Eagle, flesh eating. Duck, straining. Kingfisher, spearing. Chick, insect eating. Hummingbird, probing. Parrot, seed eating. Birds do not have teeth. They have a beak. This is the hard and pointed part of its mouth. All birds have different types of beaks to suit their feeding habits. Birds that can fly. Sparrow, hummingbird, eagle, owl, crow. Birds that cannot fly. Emu, penguin, ostrich, kiwi. Colorful birds. Toucan, parrot, kingfisher, peacock. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.